The U.S. targeted 3 high-profile nuclear facilities in Iran, each chosen for its specific role in an advanced weapons development pipeline. First, Fordow, buried 80 meters beneath a mountain near Qom, was struck by 630-000 LB bunker-buster bombs, making it the deepest and most protected of the 3. Next, Natanz, located southeast of Tehran, is Iran's primary enrichment hub, previously enriched to 60% purity before Israeli strikes. U.S. forces dropped mass ordnance penetrators to collapse primary centrifuge halls. Finally, at Isfahan, U.S. Tomahawk struck both the uranium conversion facility, which processes yellowcake into uranium hexafluoride for enrichment, and the fuel fabrication plant that prepares nuclear fuel. The goal: disrupt every stage of Iran's nuclear program. Together, these strikes targeted Iran's capacity to reverse engineer uranium into weapons-grade material, an approach designed to slow any putative bomb timeline. Fordow selection capped months of strategic assessments. Originally built within a former IRGC missile base, its underground location made it nearly invulnerable to conventional bombs. The IAEA reported enrichment to 83.7%, just shy of weapons grade, making it a potential breakout node. Washington considered Fordow the nuclear nerve center. Townsend bombers armed with GBU 57 massive ordnance penetrators, designed to crush 60 meters of rock were necessary. Even so, some analysts warned that rubble and intact centrifuge casings could allow swift reconstruction. By effectively neutralizing the vault, the U.S. aimed to pause Iran's nuclear clock, but deep-layer defenses may still allow recovery if efforts drag on. Natanz functions as Iran's main enrichment hub, producing uranium enriched to up to 60% purity, far above nuclear power grade. It was previously damaged by sabotage and airstrikes. U.S. forces targeted the main gas centrifuge halls with specialized bunker-buster ordnance for maximal impact. A senior Pentagon official stated that planners wanted to disrupt outer and inner buildings to prevent swift resume of enrichment. Because of prior sabotage, the facility's backup systems were vulnerable in this strike. Destroying enriched infrastructure at Natanz adds weeks, if not months, to any future nuclear timeline, slowing Iran's path toward potential weapons capacity. Isfahan plays a central role in Iran's nuclear cycle, converting yellowcake into gaseous uranium and fabricating fuel assembly plates. This is where raw material becomes usable for reactors or weapons. International inspectors previously monitored the uranium conversion facility, UCF, and adjacent fuel fabrication lines, so disruption here reduces Iran's upstream capacity. U.S. Tomahawks targeted these installations to hinder Iran from feeding future centrifuge networks, effectively starving the system at its source. Destroying both conversion and fabrication stages means Iran can neither restart enrichment at scale nor produce reactor fuel, a dual constraint on both civilian and military nuclear progression.